Hello green thumbs and aspiring gardeners, welcome to our corner of the internet where we help you bloom your passion for plants. Today, we're digging into the topic of best plants for home garden. Now, who doesn't love the idea of growing their own food, fresh, organic and straight from your backyard to your kitchen? But the perks of home gardening don't stop at delicious produce. It's also a fantastic way to get your hands dirty, get moving, and let's not forget the therapeutic benefits it brings. Picture this. A sunny afternoon, you're out in your garden, surrounded by vibrant greens and the calming whisper of nature. Sounds like a slice of paradise, doesn't it? Well, that's what we're aiming for. So buckle up as we take you on a journey through the 10 must-grow plants for your vegetable garden and kitchen. Starting our list is the garden's crown jewel, the heirloom tomato. There's something incredibly satisfying about growing your own heirloom tomatoes. Yes, these aren't your average grocery store tomatoes, they're a feast for the eyes, with a variety of shapes and colors that range from deep ruby reds to sunny yellows, and even some with a striking purple hue. But the real treasure lies in their taste. They're juicier, sweeter, and far more flavorful than their supermarket counterparts. And the best part? They're surprisingly easy to grow. With a little sunlight, water, and love, you'll have your own tomato treasure trove in no time. Imagine the joy of picking a ripe, sun-warmed tomato straight off the vine and biting into its sweet, juicy goodness. So, are you ready to bite into a juicy, homegrown tomato? Next on our list, the versatile summer squash. This bright and bountiful vegetable is a gardener's delight. Why, you ask? Well, it's known for its prolific harvest. Imagine, from planting to plate, a continuous supply of squash all summer long. And it doesn't stop at quantity. Oh no, the summer squash also brings versatility to your kitchen. From stir-fries to stews, salads to grills, it's a vegetable that can be used in a myriad of dishes, adding a pop of color and a burst of nutrition. But wait, there's more. This vegetable is as easy to grow as it is to cook. A sunny spot, some well-drained soil, and voila! You'll have a squash squad right in your backyard. So, why not give it a go? After all, if you've got the space, why not squash it? Who knew gardening could be so squashing? Spicing up our list, we have the fiery peppers. Now let's talk about the power of peppers. From sweet bell peppers to the hot habaneros, peppers are indeed a garden gem. Why, you ask? Well, their versatility in the kitchen is second to none. Whether you're sautéing them for a stir-fry, stuffing them for a delicious entree, or even drying them for a zesty seasoning, peppers add a punch of flavor to any dish. But it's not just about their culinary prowess. Growing peppers is a breeze. These sun-loving plants are quite low maintenance and can easily be grown in containers if space is a constraint. Plus, with a multitude of varieties available, you can choose according to your taste and heat preference. From mild and sweet to tongue-tingling and fiery, there's a pepper for every palate. So, whether you're a fan of the gentle heat of jalapenos or the scorching burn of ghost peppers, you have the power to grow your favorite right at home. Ready to turn up the heat in your garden? Adding some pungent punch to our list, we have the indomitable garlic. This powerful bulb is a staple in many kitchens worldwide, adding a rich, savory depth to a multitude of dishes. But did you know? Growing garlic at home is as easy as pie, and the payoff is immense. Garlic is a hardy plant that thrives even in the harshest of winters, making it a fantastic choice for year-round cultivation. It requires minimal care, just a sunny spot and well-drained soil. Plus, it's a perfect time-saving plant. Plant it once and forget about it until harvest time rolls around. And let's not forget about the health benefits. Garlic is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. It's been linked to heart health, improved immunity, and even has anti-cancer properties. And the flavor? Homegrown garlic has a taste that's far superior to its store-bought counterparts. It's more potent, more aromatic, and just downright tastier. Garlic, not just for warding off vampires. Cooling things down, we have the refreshing cucumbers. Now, these are not just your ordinary salad toppings. They're hydration heroes, boasting a whopping 95% water content. Imagine on a hot day, biting into the crunchy, cool flesh of a cucumber you've grown in your very own garden. It's a taste of pure, refreshing satisfaction. But the cucumber's superpowers don't stop at hydration. These green gems are as versatile as they come. From the classic cucumber sandwich to a tangy tzatziki sauce, or a refreshing cucumber cooler, there's no end to the culinary creations you can whip up. And the best part is, cucumbers are incredibly easy to grow. They're like the friendly neighbor of the plant world, happy to climb a trellis or crawl on the ground, taking up as little or as much space as you've got. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a gardening newbie, cucumbers are a great addition to your home garden. Ready for a cool gardening adventure? Adding some green to our list, we have the humble peas. These little green gems are more than just a side dish. They're packed full of vitamins, minerals, and a sweet flavor that can add a delightful twist to your home-cooked meals. But the benefits don't stop at the dining table. Peas are also a gardener's best friend. They're easy to grow and can thrive in a variety of climates. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small urban balcony, peas are happy to grow wherever they're planted. And let's not forget their role as nitrogen fixers. These little green powerhouses can improve your soil's fertility, making it more productive for future plantings. They're not just a plant, they're a garden investment. So why not give these little green marvels a place in your garden? They're nutritious, delicious, and oh so easy to grow. Give peas a chance, won't you? Bringing variety to our list, we have the diverse Mesclun greens. Now these are not just one plant, but a delightful cocktail of different leafy veggies. This mix may include arugula, chervil, endive, or even baby spinach. It's like a party in your garden. So why should you invite Mesclun to your garden gathering? Well, for starters, it's nutrition-packed. With high levels of vitamins A and C, plus a good dose of iron, it's a superfood superstar. And let's not forget, these greens can really jazz up your salads, wraps, and sandwiches with their mix of unique flavors and colors. Growing Mesclun is a breeze. It's a quick grower, often ready to harvest in just 5 to 6 weeks. Plus, they are perfect for continuous harvesting. The more you pick, the more they grow. Talk about a garden gift that keeps on giving. So, with all these benefits, why wouldn't you want to add this colorful confetti of greens to your garden? Are you ready to mix it up in your garden? Adding iron to our list, we have the mighty spinach. This leafy green is a remarkable addition to your garden, not just for its vibrant color but also for its numerous health benefits. Spinach is a superb source of iron, making it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their iron intake. But it's not all about the iron. Spinach is also packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with calcium and magnesium, essential minerals for our health. Consuming spinach can aid in maintaining healthy skin, boosting the immune system, and even supporting bone health. Growing spinach at home is a cinch. It's a cool season crop, thriving best in the spring and fall, and it's not picky about its soil. Just ensure it has plenty of sunlight and adequate water, and you'll have a bountiful harvest in no time. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking fresh, crisp spinach leaves right from your backyard for a healthy salad or a delicious stir-fry. So are you ready to feel like Popeye with homegrown spinach? Adding protein to our list, we have the nutritious beans. Beans, the all-rounders of the vegetable world. They're not just a source of protein but also a powerhouse of nutrients like fiber, iron, and vitamins. But why grow them at home, you ask? Well, they're incredibly easy to grow. With a little bit of sunshine, some water, and a smidge of patience, you'll have a thriving beanstalk straight out of Jack's fairy tale. And let's not forget the myriad health benefits they offer. From supporting heart health to aiding digestion, these little green gems are truly a gift from Mother Nature. Ever thought about how many varieties of beans there are? You might be surprised. From green beans to black beans, pinto to lima, there's a bean for every palate and every recipe. So, whether you're whipping up a hearty chili or a refreshing salad, your homegrown beans will add a fresh, nutritious punch. Just imagine the satisfaction of seeing your very own beans climb and thrive, then turning them into a delicious, healthy meal for your family. So, are you ready to bean up your garden? Concluding our list, we have the aromatic basil. A gem in the world of herbs, basil is the silent hero that brings out the flavor in your dishes without stealing the limelight. This versatile herb is not just a kitchen superstar but a garden favorite too. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by the strong, sweet aroma of fresh basil leaves. It's a sensory delight that's hard to resist. And the best part? Growing basil is as easy as pie. You don't have to be a green thumb to grow this green gem, just a sunny spot and regular watering, and voila, you've got your own basil bush. And let's not forget, basil isn't just a culinary wonder but a visual treat too. Its bright green leaves can brighten up any garden space, making it a joy to look at. So whether it's to add an extra zing to your dishes or to enjoy the sheer pleasure of gardening, basil is your go-to herb. So, are you ready to bring some bliss to your garden with basil? And there you have it, folks. The 10 must-grow plants for your vegetable garden and kitchen. We've journeyed together through the lush world of home gardening, discovering the joy of nurturing our own food from seed to plate. We've met the tomato treasure, hung out with the squash squad, powered up with the pepper power, and bathed in the garlic galore. We've also joined the cucumber clan, praised the peas, mixed it up with the Mesclun mix, spun around with the Spinach Spin, had a Bonanza with the beans, and found bliss with Basil. Each of these plants brings not only a bounty of fresh, delicious produce to your table, but also the satisfaction of cultivating your own little piece of nature. Home gardening has countless benefits, from improving our mental well-being to promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get your hands dirty and start sowing the seeds of your own edible garden. Thank you for joining us on this green journey. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more blooming content. Happy gardening!